Welcome. We are proud to present to you the Golden Palm Growers Scheme, an investment scheme approved under the Companies Act of 1965. Managed by Golden Palm Growers Berhad. Why invest in commodities? Because history tells us that over the longer term, commodity prices go up and up. What are the reasons for this upward trend in commodity prices? 1. Fast growth in demand due to rising incomes and populations. 2. Supply cannot meet this growth in demand for a number of reasons. Minerals and oil are depleting. Land for agriculture is not increasing fast enough. And climate change issues are limiting crop production. We believe this trend will continue for the next 30 to 50 years due to rising incomes in the fast-growing economies of China and India. All commodities follow this trend. Metals such as aluminium, zinc, lead, copper, tin, nickel, gold, iron ore and uranium, and energy sources such as LNG, coal, natural gas and crude oil, increased in price from 2.1% to 7.7% over the last 20 years. Similarly, the price of food, corn, wheat, sugar, coffee, rice, barley and cocoa, as well as vegetable oils, rose by 2.5% to 6.8% over the same period. Palm oil follows this upward trend. Over the last 20 years, the price of palm oil has increased by an average of 7% per annum. If this trend continues, we will see palm oil prices exceed 10,000 ringgit per ton over the next 20 years. As a vegetable oil, palm oil is gaining market share and today has 36% of the world's market for vegetable oils. This increase in market share has come despite the price of palm oil rising faster than other vegetable oils, reflecting its versatility and nutritional and environmental advantages. What are the investment lessons that we can gain from this? 1. Invest in commodities. Your annual profit will increase as prices increase. 2. Oil palm has been a good investment in the past and should continue in the future because of its versatility and strengths compared to competing products. And 3. Invest in a scheme where you truly enjoy the full upside potential as prices increase. The Golden Palm Growers Scheme now offers you such an opportunity to invest in an oil palm plantation and truly enjoy the full profit upside potential. The Golden Palm Growers Scheme is managed by Golden Palm Growers Berhad, a subsidiary of Sterling Biofuels International Limited, a company listed on the Australian Stock Exchange. Incorporated in February 2007, Golden Palm Growers was granted a concession by a state government agency to develop and manage a 10,000-acre oil palm plantation for 90 years. The plantation, known as Ladang Sterling, is located in Gua Musang, Kelantan. Development of the plantation began in 2007, and significant milestones have been reached. Golden Palm Growers is well on its way to achieving its vision of giving the world a sustainable supply of palm oil. Land clearing began in 2007, followed by the development of the nursery for the plantation. In 2009, the company began land preparation. For planting up of the plantation, which has now commenced in earnest, 30% of plantings for Phase 1 has been completed. And by 2011, 2,000 acres of the plantation would have been planted up, completing Phase 1 of the development. Phase 2, comprising another 4,500 acres, will be completed by 2012. Plantings for the entire plantation will be completed by 2013. With first harvest in 2014, full commercial yields will be achieved in 2016, well before maturity of the scheme in 23 years' time. Our mission is to make all palm investment accessible to everyone. The small quarter-acre plot sizes and low entry price of 7,000 ringgit a grower plot makes this investment extremely affordable. The number of grower plots to be created over the 7,000-acre plantation is limited to only 28,000. 30% of this will be retained by the company, reflecting its confidence in the viability and success of the scheme as an alternative investment opportunity. This is indeed a rare opportunity for the man on the street to truly enjoy the full profit upside potential of an oil palm plantation. Investors are guaranteed 6% a year for the first 6 years while the plantation is being developed. This guarantee is fully backed 100% with cash deposited with AM Trustee Berhad, a licensed trustee and member of the AM Investment Bank Group. After the first 6 development years, investors will enjoy unlimited upside potential until maturity of the scheme in 23 years. This means the higher the price of palm oil, the higher the returns, with no limit on the profit upside potential. As 100% of audited net profits will be distributed, this unlimited upside potential is supported by a floor. With a minimum 6% return when palm oil prices are between 1,000 ringgit to 1,500 ringgit a ton, and an even higher 9% when palm oil prices exceed 1,500 ringgit a ton. Plantation profits will be audited in accordance with strict international accounting standards by the global audit firm of Ernst & Young. And the rewards don't stop there. Not only will you receive a guaranteed 6% a year for the first 6 years, and the share in profits for the next 17 years, in year 19 we will propose a replanting program that will give you the opportunity to extend your returns for another 23-year planting cycle. And to top it all off, you get to share in any capital appreciation upon maturity of the scheme. This is not only an investment for you, but also for your children. As an investment scheme approved under the Companies Act of 1965, your investment is well protected. The scheme is regulated by the Companies Commission of Malaysia. AM Trustee Berhad, as trustee, stands guardian of investor interests. An independent planting advisor will review progress of the plantation development on a regular basis to ensure that planting standards are met. Both the international audit firm of Ernst & Young and the well-respected legal firm of Zul Rafiq and Partners will ensure that the scheme meets the strictest accounting and legal standards of corporate governance. So this is our promise to you. 6% a year for the first 6 years. For the remaining 17 years, a minimum 9% a year if palm oil prices exceed 1,500 ringgit a ton. 100% of audited net profits will be distributed, so you truly get to share in the full profit upside potential of an oil palm plantation. In year 19, we will present to you a replanting program that will give you the opportunity of extending your returns for another 23-year planting cycle. And you will share in any capital appreciation of the plantation upon maturity of the scheme. To enhance the liquidity of your investment, we stand ready to repurchase your grower plot at full price anytime after year 6. This is proof of our confidence in the success of the scheme. In addition, grower plots are freely transferable after 12 months in accordance with the terms of your investment. Finally, we will establish a mechanism to facilitate trading of grower plots once the scheme is fully sold. These promises are encapsulated in our Bill of Guarantees. This is indeed an opportunity not to be missed. Contact our marketing company or call toll-free 1-800-888800 now.